Hi, I'm Christina. I would like to show you how to measure and order your roller blind to fit on the outside of the window, like this. This measurement is known as blind size. With a tape measure, measure the width from here to here. We recommend a 5 cm overlap on each side, like this. As you can see, this width measures 68.5 centimetres, including the 5 centimetre overhang each side. Now jot this down. Width 68.5 centimetres. Your blind will come at this exact size. Now we measure the drop from here to here. When measuring a roller blind to fit on the outside of the window, we recommend a 7 centimetre overhang on the drop, like this. As you can see, the drop measures 134 centimetres, including the 7 centimetre overhang. Now let's jot this down. Drop 134 centimetres. Ordering your roller blind online is easy. Look through our roller blind collection and select your favourite. Now fill in the online order form. Enter width in centimetres. The width of my window was 68.5 centimetres. Enter the drop in centimetres. The drop of my window was 134 centimetres. How have you measured your blind? If you've been watching this video, you would have measured your blind size. Select blind size. What side would you like your cord on? You could either have the cord on the left hand side or the right hand side. I'm going to choose left hand side. Shapes. You could have different shapes at the bottom of your blind, or you could have the standard, which is a straight edge. I'm going to select standard. Poles. You could either have a silver pole, a brass pole, or a black pole. But these are only available with the Castile, quad and temple shape. Because I've chose a standard finish, I do not require a pole. So now go to the next option. Do you require a child safety cord? We always recommend you do, so select yes. Now add to cart. It really is that easy. Now I am going to show you how to fit your roller blind. Your roller blind will come complete with 2 fixing brackets, 2 pelmet brackets, 6 wall plugs and 6 screws. Additional items you will need to fit your roller blind: 1 eraser, 1 pencil, 1 ruler, 1 screwdriver, 1 hand drill with a masonry drill bit. Now let's get started. Firstly, we need to measure where your brackets are going to be installed. When we originally measured the blind, we recommended a 7 centimetre overhang on the drop. With your ruler, along the straight edge, measure 7 centimetres. Now mark this along the top very lightly and down the side. Make sure this is light so you could rub it out later. It should now look like this. Move along roughly 10 centimetres and measure your 7 centimetres and mark. Make sure you do this lightly so you can rub it out later. When we originally measured the roller blind, we recommended a 5cm overhang on the width. Place your 5cm on this line here. Now join your other two marks up together, along the top and down the side. Do this faintly so you can rub it out later. You will now have a faint drawing like this. With your ruler, place on this right angle, measure 1cm and mark. Like this. These are the two brackets provided. The bracket with the cross in the middle is for the corded side of your roller blind. We are fitting our cord on the left hand side, so this bracket will be fitted on the left hand side. Now we are going to fit this bracket on the right hand side. Place your roller blind bracket here, like this. Now mark your two holes. Like this. Make your marks more visible by putting a cross. Like this. This is where you will put your screws. Now repeat the process on the opposite side. Line your ruler with the straight edge. Mark your 7cm. Up and round. Like this. Move 10cm across and measure 7cm. Now mark. Like this. Placing your 5cm on this line, join your two marks together. Across the top and down the side. Like this. Measure your 1cm mark . Like this. Place your bracket here, like this. Now mark your holes. Like this. Get your pelmet bracket and place it here, like this. Now mark. Now place your pelmet bracket here, like this. Now mark. Exaggerate your marks with a cross. This is where the screw will go for your pelmet bracket. Now drill all 6 holes. Now place your wall plugs in the drilled holes and tap with the end of your screwdriver. Like this. And the same for the other side. Like this. Now screw your brackets in, like this. Now repeat the same procedure on the opposite side, like this. When you have fitted the brackets, they should look like this. Now fit your pelmet brackets, like this. Now the same for the other pelmet bracket. Now insert your roller blind. Now let's fit the pelmet. It's as easy as that.